Hi friends, today we will discuss about flywheel. This picture is the flywheel which is located in the engine. A flywheel is a rotating mechanical device that is used to store rotational energy. This flywheel is adapted the rotational energy to rotate the engine from the mechanical device. The main use of the flywheel is to store the rotational energy while the mechanical device is rotating. This is the parts of the flywheel are primary flywheel. This one is the primary flywheel and another one is the secondary flywheel, and these are springs. These are springs soft and springs firm. And this is the planetary gear. This one is the planetary gear, and these are the plain bearing. This is the plain bearing. This big circle one is the plain bearing, and this is a plain inside the circle. This is a plain bearing, axial plain bearing, and this is the ring gear, and this hole is for securing the pin, adjusting the pin, and this is spring caps for springs, and this is a sliding shoe to slide the springs, and this is the cover plate to grain the content. These are the parts of the flywheel. This is the schematic map of the flywheel. In the flywheel there are 13 parts are available in the flywheel. Then the key features of the flywheels are: first one is flywheels have an inertia called the moment of inertia and thus resist changes in rotational speed. These flywheels have inertia like moment of inertia to, to resist the changes in the rotational speed. The amount of energy stored in a flywheel is proportional to the square of its rotational speed. This In this flywheel, the rotational energy is inversely proportional to the rotational speed of the engine. And the next one is energy is transferred to a flywheel by the application of torque, thereby increasing its rotational speed, then hence its stored energy. While the rotational speed of the energy is increased, then the rotational motion is decreased and the speed of the engine is increased. Conversely, a flywheel releases stored energy by applying torque to a mechanical load, thereby decreasing the flywheel's rotational speed. And the flywheel releases the stored energy while the mechanical device is applied, thereby decreasing the rotational speed. While the flywheel releases the stored energy, then the speed is decreased. While the rotational speed is increased, then the energy is decreased. Then the common uses of flywheels includes providing continuous energy when the energy source is discontinuous, and the delivery energy at rates beyond the ability of a continuous energy source, controlling the orientation of a mechanical system. These are the main uses and key features of the flywheel. The main function of the flywheel is, a, is to store the rotational energy while the mechanical device is rotating. Thank you for watching.